with no risk of addiction, just grab this beautiful plant. Our ancestors used to look for it more than any other. And they used chicory to create a powerful pain-killing extract for many physical discomforts. Lactocopicrin seems to be the plant substance responsible for this. It has both sedative and analgesic effects, acting directly on the central nervous system to lessen the feeling of pain. Chicory root is also rich in chicoric acid, an anti-inflammatory compound well suited for dealing with chronic joint pain. So next time you're in pain, instead of turning to painkillers and anti-inflammatories that can harm your stomach and liver, use the Chicory pain-killing tincture you'll find inside the guide. Here's a quick backyard remedy. Add 1 tablespoon of ground chicory root to your coffee or tea. It's a prebiotic and natural laxative that will help move things along and regulate your bowels. And here are some other recipes you'll find inside. Chicory salve for pain relief, chicory coffee, decoction for adrenal fatigue, chicory infusion for stuffed sinuses, the antifungal poultice, and the liver protection